Hello, ladies, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. And today I'm very excited to have Paige Padgett, who is the author of The Green Beauty Rules, the essential guide to toxic-free beauty. She is also a celebrity makeup artist, author, and speaker, and my heart is with Makeup Artist Man. And I'm so glad to have you here today, Paige.
Thank you for having me. It's because you're a makeup artist. You get it.
I
know
get
the struggle.
it. I know what this is about. And, there's been such a big influx of green beauty, right? It's such a big thing. I've started dabbling in it. I didn't before, and now I'm trying things. I'm doing reviews on products. I'm super interested in this. And you are the expert. You've written the book. You know what, you are the woman. So I want to have it come from the horse's mouth here. Like, why all the focus on green beauty? Like, what's up?
Well, people are becoming just in general more wellness focused. And with that, they are realizing that what they put on their body is just as important as what they put in their body, because, your skin is your largest organ. 60% of what you put on it is absorbed. And so they're realizing that it's very important to eliminate toxic chemicals, the petrochemicals, preservatives, and make sure that they're putting things on their body that nourishes it, because it does hit your bloodstream, goes through your liver, your kidney. Actually, it bypasses your liver, I believe. So it's even more important.
Yeah. So people, and I've read information, one of the beauty lines that I've looked into, and I'm not going to be able to dredge that up in my head at the moment, but the owner of it had cancer. And so that was what drove her to, wait a minute, what's going on? How can I clean out my body? And that's what drove her into creating a green beauty line. And I think-
a woman from-
Yeah, the woman who created the cosmetic line, the skincare line as well. So I think this is a big subject. And I think as women, we're like, wait a minute, what am I putting in my body? And I think a lot of lines, cosmetic lines that you and I used for years, right, on other people, on ourselves, are full of these chemicals, and people are starting to get nervous about it.
Yes, they are starting to get nervous about it. And it's, there's a reason they are, and it's for good reason. It's nice that people are becoming a little uneasy, because that creates change. So until you are more uncomfortable not changing, you won't.
That's exactly right. Now, I do want to point out organic beauty in my book. Okay, when I tried organic beauty like 5 or 6 years ago, I was like, was not impressed with it, right? Yeah. And so I really stayed away from it, especially professionally, because, you don't want to put something on talent that doesn't look good on camera, on HD especially. So it's dicey. But things have changed, right? So things are starting to change. So maybe you could talk a little bit about that and what's changed and what's going on here with this, and especially about labels and, all
that. What's changed? Science has just gotten better with the need and the demand from the consumers, manufacturers, and brands are listening. And so, with the demand, that green chemistry has just gotten better. They're now exploring more, looking into ingredients more, and just, everything has, and with the need, with the demand, you're just seeing better and better formulations, because so many people have jumped on the bandwagon, so many brands, that the formulations are just getting better and better, and people are trying to keep up with the next formulation, which is great. So, excuse me. So that's really been the change. It's been us. It's been the people, demanding better quality cosmetics, and therefore it's created better quality organic cosmetics, which is good, because I started this about 12 years ago, and it was really hard.
Yeah. Really hard. So let's talk about that. The word organic is completely overused, right? Like you go to the grocery store and you see the organic chicken, doesn't mean jack, right? It just means it's a real chicken and it's chock full of hormones. So I think the word natural, organic, these are buzzwords, but they don't mean what we think. So let's talk about the labeling behind this, and why we need to become educated, because marketers know, oh, hey, throw out organic. And then I've gone through and looked through the list of ingredients and been like, this is not organic. Do you know what I mean? Like, what are you talking about? So talk a little bit about that, the terminology behind it.
Well, organic could just mean there's an organic ingredient.
Yeah.
One.
Right.
What else is in there out of, 50 ingredients? And, is it the first ingredient? Probably not. So having said that, well, let me that thought next. So organic could be, there's an organic ingredient, which is great, but it doesn't mean it's not toxic, and it doesn't mean it's the product. But if you really want all organic, look for the USDA stamp. So you can't use the you can't. There's certain terms, but you can't use their seal unless it's like 70 or 90%. I can't remember exactly right now. But there's 3 different levels. So to say organic, it has to be at least 70%. To use the seal, I think it's like 90, something like that. But look for the seal, because that will let you know that you are getting an organic product. Now, beyond that, organic is just a bonus in cosmetics. I mean, it's very hard to have a full face of organic. It's an agricultural term. We don't grow our cosmetics. I mean, ideally we grow most things that are in it, but still, I mean, once you add water cannot be organic. Minerals cannot be organic. You can't grow water, so you can't have an organic label to water. Same with minerals. They're made in the lab. They're not mined, and even if they were mined, they still wouldn't be organic because it's an agricultural term. You would have to grow it. Minerals, grow them. So it's really not that important to me to have organic products. Non-toxic is what I look for, which is largely natural and sometimes organic, but always vegan.
Okay, so Paige, anti-aging is like a total keyword right now for women over 40 and even women under 40. It's all about anti-aging. And one of the things I've struggled with organic, toxic-free beauty is that it doesn't really, it's nice, it feels good. I'm talking about skincare here, but it doesn't really do anything. So in the anti-aging department, where are we with that, with non-toxic beauty?
Well, it's also getting better with our green formulations, sort of, getting better. There's a lot of companies out there where it's like science meets, natural beauty. And there's a lot of natural companies using hyaluronic acid, peptides, stem cells. So these are the things that you want to look for in your formulas. So long as they're in a natural formula, and a lot of companies are starting to do that. And then just like really nourishing things like sea buckthorn and different ingredients that are really nourishing, vitamin C's and A's. So companies have become very savvy now, and they are starting to incorporate the two because they don't have to be separate. Right. As long as they're they can maintain the integrity of the ingredients and they're stable, they can be all the same thing. The reason why it's been great for so long, traditional cosmetics are considered better, is because they're just using a lot of these ingredients, whereas natural companies weren't, but they are now. They're starting to. There's no reason why not. So, and again, it goes back to, do you want organic or non-toxic?
Right.
If you're talking anti-aging, well, you definitely want non-toxic.
Yes.
Because you're not going to find organic skincare. It's going to have all these things in it. It could have a lot of organic ingredients, but it's not going to be 100% organic. It's almost impossible. So.
Right. And I think that's true. And I think also what I've noticed is if lines have a compounding pharmacist, if they have somebody who knows how to mix those products, how to make that work, then it's going to have a greater effect. Like if you're just mixing together a bunch of organic products and saying, hey, it's all organic, it's anti-aging because it has this one flower in it, you're probably not going to get any results. But if you really look into it and you get somebody who really knows what they're doing with a line, it's going to make a huge difference.
Agreed, for sure. Agreed. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there are, raw ingredient suppliers out there that are, focusing on anti-aging ingredients for naturals. So you can get, though you don't have to compound yourself or anything, you can just order those ingredients and include them in your formulas. So, I mean, there's so many things out there now. They've been able to mimic a lot of different types of ingredients with with natural formulas.
Yeah. It's so encouraging. It's so encouraging to see all of this change over. And I'm very excited about where it's going. I'm excited about a lot of the new products on the market. It's been so much fun to try them on myself and on other people. And I'm very excited about where green beauty is going. And, Paige, I really appreciate you spending time with me today and talking about this for my audience. And, I just want to tell you ladies to visit Paige at pagelifestyle.com. Also get her book. Like I said, I held this up earlier. I love this book. This has lists of ingredients. It's really phenomenal. If you're into green beauty, it is the go-to guide for green beauty. I highly recommend it. And also you have a new beauty and wellness care line coming out. So tell us about that and tell us about your website.
I do. The line is called Paige Lifestyle because it is it's beauty and wellness and everything that encompasses. So yes, makeup, absolutely skincare, but also wellness products. We're talking eventually ingestibles, green drinks, turmeric lattes, supplements, essential oils, maybe diffusers, things like that. Anything that will help you have a sense of well-being and create, wellness. It's definitely going to be skin and makeup centric because I'm a makeup artist and esthetician, but we are going to have a wellness component to it. I've partnered with teencanceramerica.org. And so for every subscription, we will send a care package to a teen surviving cancer. There will be opportunities for the consumer to also give. If you purchase a subscription, then decide to pause it, you can, instead of pausing it, you can donate it for a month. Say you're going on vacation, you're not able to get it. Or if you just want to donate it, you can do that. But it's also very value priced. So I'm looking at perhaps a very low membership fee, and then everything is $10 across the board. And then if you do a subscription, it's like $24.99 a month for 3 products. So it'd be something like that with free shipping. So, it's definitely a lifestyle company, and eventually we'll have hundreds of products to choose from. I will be doing a pre-sale in spring. So.
Great. So we want everyone to go to your pre-sale and sign up.
Yes,
do that.
Please do.
Go.
Go to my website.
Yes.
Exactly. pagelifestyle.com, and then there'll be a little sign-up area, and you'll get an email when we have our pre-sale. It's going to be 25% discount, free shipping. So it's really a great deal. And you get the entire discovery set of Disco Lid, which is our first product. It's a glitter alternative. We are a sustainable and vegan company. I think I failed to mention that, but so glitter is litter. And so we are trying to get kids, whoever likes to wear glitter, I wear glitter eyeshadow occasionally, to ditch the glitter and for some more sustainable options. So Disco Lid is one of them. A lot of the millennials and Gen Zs that go to these music festivals wear glitter, but about 60 of them have banned glitter. The music festivals.
Banned,
so,
like it's not loud.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Because it's a microplastic.
Yeah.
So my company's very focused on sustainability, transparency, and the products are vegan. So
awesome. Well, I'm excited to see Disco Lid because I happen to really love glitter. Like I'm a total makeup artist. I love putting glitter on people, and so I'm so happy that that's coming out. So I really, man, kudos that you're doing this, and I'm totally behind you. And, I just want to tell women, thank you so much for watching, and please visit her website and support Paige. She's great. And I think this whole green beauty thing is the wave of the future. So get on the wave, man. So thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman today, and I hope you all have a great day, a great green beauty day.